So now I'm sure he turned it back off again, so it went up to 12 volts. But when you turn the ignition on, when you turn the key to the on position, it it goes down to like 11.97. So I believe it's just a few draws from the battery, the electronics and all that, you know, drawing some power from the battery. So that's why the voltage dropped. But right now the key, the ignition is off, so it's reading 12.16 volts because I'm having a problem starting my car. So I was thinking it's probably somewhere in the ignition switch, or all that problem other people are having. But I try to test my tester, my starter, to at least see if I'm having power delivered there, which will ultimately tell me if what you call it, the ignition switch is communicating with the BCM and the PCM. So I believe all that stuff is going great. Just the starter is not turning over, which also having power delivered to it. So just wanted to make this video real quick. Also the terminals, I try to close the circuit to see if the starter would turn, but it still wouldn't turn. So so that's what's going on. I believe it's my starter this time. All right.